Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you're a subscriber, most definitely welcome. So it ended in tears between Kanye Mbao and Kudzai Mushonga. Kanye has released a statement saying he was a good guy, but he did some bad things. He tried everything he could to make it up to me. I did most of my grieving while we were together. I finally got the courage to leave, and of course, I wish him the best, which means that this breakup happened some time ago. If you check on your Instagram account, there are no pictures of Kudzi anymore. I think she deleted, and of late they were not posting each other. Remember their previous breakup that happened, that trended a few years ago, where Kudzi was being blamed, where Kudzi was blaming Kanye, but this time around, seemingly, Kudzi is the one who is wrong here. Kudzi cried and complained about Kanye being a narcissist, and that Kanye didn't like his family and friends, and Kanye was trying by all means to isolate him from the world. That was the reason of their breakup. But this time around, we don't know if he cheated or what happened between the two. But we were wishing that probably they are going to get married, have kids, and something like that. But seemingly it did not reach to that extent. Now we're not so sure if Kanye is going to relocate from Dubai to South Africa because um she was now based in Dubai. Remember, on Young and Famous, she also disclosed that she wasn't happy at all. She said that these days our relationship is kind of tricky. We are not as we used to do. That's what she said when she was asked on their relationship with Kudzi. If you remember when they were posting each other last year, when they were like in a relationship, you could see that Kanye is enjoying, and then financially, we know Kudzi was providing everything, but now we're not so sure what is going to happen to Kanye because Kudzi seemingly he had a lot of money, and we know the lifestyle that Kanye wants. We're not so sure if South Africa is going to be to provide everything for her, that she was the lifestyle and everything. You could see that the girl is glowing. And then the first surgery, she went through a surgery, and we know who was paying for all that lifestyle. Now that they are now not together anymore. Hopefully that surgery was done and dusted, and she won't need more money to do that. And a lot of people are blaming Kanye. They're saying that we know Kanye, we know she doesn't stay with the men, and we don't have to blame Kudzi because we know Kudzi is not that. He's a cool guy. A lot of people were saying he cried. The only problem that we have now is Kanye. That's what people are saying. I don't know what you guys think about this breakup, because it just came and we're not expecting such a thing. But the fact that they were not posting each other, if you remember, well, their last post were last year, like a long time ago. It wasn't like recent, but it was a long time. We know Kanye was always showing their love life all over social media, but of late she was just quiet, and we knew that something is going to come about them in this relationship. But so far Kudzi hasn't said anything. We're just waiting for him to release any statement. Or this time around he's now a grown-up man, he's not going to say anything. We are not so sure. Remember their relationship, Kanye was way older than he was way older than Kudzi. Hopefully they're not going to it wasn't a problem. I mean, hopefully that age gap wasn't a problem at all. There were rumors that came out last year, I think November, December, that Kudzi is now dating somebody else. There were rumors like that came out. A younger girl, Kudzi is now dating someone from the Arabic countries there in Dubai. I don't know. There were rumors that circulated like that, and they were just shoved away. Probably that's how they ended up not I think not clicking or something. I don't know if it was the problem, because in the statement, she's saying everything. He tried everything he could to make it up to me. I don't know what was it, and seemingly these words, if you can actually dissect those words, it seems as if there's some cheating that happened. Finally, Kanye said, "Give everything time. I'm grateful for the experience." So it's a sister of hers that noticed something. She said, deep down, I've been feeling that something is not okay with you. There were times I wanted to ask if you were all right because I noticed that we haven't been talking as much as we used to. I just had this feeling that you might be going through something. Sister, please know that my heart is heavy, but at the same time, I'm at peace with this new beginning. I'm placing everything in God's hands and trusting his plans. And people were so disappointed because they actually thought something big is going to happen between these two. And for now, I'm just saying Lasizwe is the happiest person ever. Because if you remember, well, Lasizwe actually mentioned that I don't like this guy. This guy has ruined Kanye and our relationship. I don't know what was happening between the in-laws. There was something that happened, and then Lasizwe was like, leave this guy, is not good for you, this guy will destroy you. He said a whole lot of things. I'm sure even their relationship was not as good as it was because Kudzi and Lasizwe were not in good books. Let me know in the comment section, what are your thoughts on this issue? Are you guys for the idea of them breaking up, or is it a good idea, or it's a bad move for Kanye? Since we know Kanye wants men with money, and Kudzi, now that Kudzi is not in the picture, we're not so sure who's going to be the next victim. I don't know to call it a victim or what, because on this one, Kanye is saying she tried everything that she could. We have never seen Kanye trying so hard because this lasted for some time. I think there were like 5 years or so. This relationship lasted like probably close to 5 years or more, 5, 6 years there, since we started knowing them dating. Let me know in the comment section, what are your thoughts on this. For those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe, and see you in my next video.